POCO F45G is the latest smartphone from Poco. In this video, let's do the full review of the POCO F45G. So do watch the video till the end. POCO F45G, everything you need. Snapdragon 870 with 5G, 120Hz Super AMOLED with Dolby Vision, 64 megapixels OIS camera, 67 watt sonic charging, starting from 23,999 rupees. Most optimized SD800 series processor, Snapdragon 870, flagship performance, minus the heat. The Snapdragon 870 takes you where most other top-end chipsets can't. If true, unthrottled performance is what you need, the POCO F4 is everything you need. 3.2 GHz, high-performance CPU, 10 5G bands, sustained peak performance, liquid-cooled technology 2.0. Peak performance means the ability to sustain even the most strenuous sessions of multitasking, recording, and gaming with liquid-cooled 2.0. We ensure you can breeze through even the most intense sessions without breaking a sweat. 3,112 square meters, vapor chamber, 10,429 millimeters squared, 7 graphite layers. Can it play Doom? Up to 256 GB UFS 3.1 storage, segment best 12 GB LPDDR5 RAM, fast storage. Faster RAM. Everything's a blur when you are on the POCO F4. Trust us, others will only play catch up. Class-leading display technology. There are great displays, and then there is the display on the POCO F4. Incredible brightness, contrast ratio, and smoothness all packed into one of the best Super AMOLED display you will ever feast your eyes on. 4th Gen E4 AMOLED display, 120Hz reality flow, 16.94 cm FHD plus display, 5,000:1 type, contrast ratio, 360Hz touch sampling, 1300 nits peak brightness, type, 100% DCI-P3, HDR10+, True Color, Super AMOLED, unmatched audio-visual experience, Dolby Vision plus Dolby Atmos, stereo speakers, a complete transformation to your content experience awaits with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos on the POCO F4. The most advanced imaging and sound technologies come together to provide an experience that's exhilarating, immersive, and downright mind-blowing. High-res audio wired, high-res audio wireless, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos. One glorious package, 16.94 centimeters, 6.67 FHD plus display, 2.76 millimeters ultra tiny in display, selfie camera, Corning Gorilla Glass 5, great hardware and great software come together like a finely tuned orchestra to create an audio-visual experience which you would have never felt on a smartphone before. It's truly one of a kind. But that's an F for you, deliver what others can only dream of. X-axis, linear motor, the system-level intense calibration brings more diverse vibrations and more realistic sensations. Light, thin, and durable, with a thickness of 7.7 millimeters, this smartphone is the lightest and thinnest ever in the POCO series. With Corning Gorilla Glass 5, the display has stronger protection and is highly resistant to everyday wear and tear. 7.7 millimeters, thickness, 195 grams, weight, OIS, steady there. Tiger, stability is everything. Our OIS camera delivers the best possible quality and breathes new life into your NGHD Timney photos and handheld videos. Our proprietary imaging technology coupled with hardware-based optical stabilization reduce blur and enhance sharpness. It's magical. It's also a POCO main camera with OIS 64 megapixels, ultra-wide camera 8 megapixels, telemacro camera 2 megapixels. OIS on, OIS off, the OLS technology can effectively reduce image blurring without scarifying image quality. 64 megapixels high resolution for ultra clarity in day and night. How fast is fast? 4500 mAh type battery, 67 watt sonic charging. Other people put their phone on charge 10 minutes before leaving for office like it mad. You, on the other hand, do the same like a boss. You also own a POCO F4. See what we did there? Seriously, everything you need. MIUI 13, Wi-Fi 6, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, X-Shocker, haptics. Please subscribe to my channel, please.
game. It's a rich thing.